Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world. This is the world of Wayne. Now, back in July last year, we had a little bit of the proverbial, which saw unfortunately the company Eaglemoss Collections go out of business. Now, that left quite a few people in the lurch with a few builds. Well, the good news is that that has now been rectified as of January 2023. Today, I'm going to talk all about that. Now, since the bankruptcy last July, everything's been up in the air and there's been a hell of a lot of speculation about who's having what and what's going on and how we can complete the collection. So rather than actually just dwell in the past and talk about what's happened, I'm here now to tell you what's happening now and how you can complete your collections. Now, this affects 4 collections, which is the DeLorean, the Ecto 1, the Enterprise D and the Eleanor Mustang. Now, all of those 4 models are going to be coming under the fanhome banner. There are 3 other models, and they are the full kits of Jeep Willys, the full kit of the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, and the full kit of the Nissan GTR. Now, they are going to be handled by IXO Collections. The first one's going to be due around about the 15th of April, then the 30th of May for the Mercedes, and then the 30th of June for the Nissan GTR. So, as for the other models, they're going to be under the fanhome banner, and they're going to facilitate the solution for people like myself and the community to finish their models. Now, the information they're going to want for each individual models will either be displayed as either a notify me or a pre-order, and fanhome are going to need to know where that you left off from and where you want your collection to begin with. Now, they won't replace any back issues which were broken or missing. So basically, if you pick your collection to start from issue 10, you are going to get from 10 onwards. You can't skip issues. You can't fast track either. You're not going to be able to get issues 10 to 25 in one go. They're going to be doing it in a very strategic way. If you have got any missing or damaged parts, my solution to you would be to actually go back to that part and start your selection from there, so then it can continue on. Now, not all solutions are in place at the moment, which is why if you haven't got a pre-order, you do have a notify me. Now, if you're one of those peeps out there who think, oh, I want to do the DeLorean for the first time, I do believe there's going to be an opportunity for that, but that's going to be a little bit further down the road, perhaps in February, March, but again, that's me speculating. Now, those websites are live now, and I have put the information in the video description, and this is now your opportunity that you can complete those collections. But please bear in mind, it doesn't work the same way as Eaglemoss. Once you've picked your number, you are set in stone for that. You can't change that. So you're going to be going from that issue onwards. Now, this also is only covering Germany, the United Kingdom, and the United States of America at this time. I've got no other news for any other country at the moment in the world. If I do get any news for that or any solutions for that, then obviously I'll let you know on the channel and on social media outlets. Now, hopefully that's given you all the information you need about IXO Collections and the Jeep that they're doing, the Mercedes and the Nissan GTR, and how fanhome have now taken the bulk of the models that we were building, namely the DeLorean, the Enterprise, the Eleanor Mustang and the Ecto 1, and how you can complete your models. So I really hope you like that update. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. This time, can you make sure you share it as much as possible so we can get this news to the whole community? That will really be appreciated. Other than that, take care.